Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare Vattayappam. This is a Kerala style preparation. Every time we prepare appam, before adding coconut, salt, etc., we can take 2 tablespoons of the fermented dough and keep it in a bottle and store it in the fridge. Next time we prepare appam, we can use this fermented dough. In this recipe, I have used fermented dough. In case fermented dough is not available, we can use yeast solution to ferment the dough. In the earlier recipe for Palapam, I have shown how to use yeast solution to ferment the dough. We can use the same procedure for preparing Vattayappam also. Let us see how to prepare Vattayappam. Here I have taken 2.5 cups of rice flour. This is purchased rice flour. This is fermented dough which I had stored in the fridge. Let us add it to the rice flour. Let us pour some water in the bottle in which the fermented dough was kept. Let us add the water here. Let us add sufficient water and make a thick dough. If we are powdering rice flour at home itself and using the fresh rice flour, the appam will come better. The dough is fine now. Let us ferment it for 8 hours. If we prepare the dough at 6 p.m. today evening, tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. the dough will be ready for making appam. This is the fermented dough. Let us add a pinch of salt and required sugar. I am adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. If we are preparing sweet appam, we can add more sugar. We can add fried cashew nuts and raisins. I am preparing this appam to serve with egg curry, so this much sugar is sufficient. Here I have taken a quarter of a coconut grated. Let us grind it with a little water in the mixie. Let us add it to the dough. Let us mix it well. Let us take the idli cooker. Let us add some water. Let us take the plate in which we will prepare the appam. Let us apply a little oil. Let us pour in the batter. Let us close the idli cooker. Let us keep it on the flame. The time to cook will depend upon the thickness of the dough. We have not poured it very thick. Let us check after 10 minutes if it is cooked. The dough is not sticking on the knife. This is ready. Let us deflame it. The appam has cooled. Let us cut it into pieces. Let us prepare all the vattayappam in the same manner. The Vattayappam are ready. Let us transfer it into the serving tray. Hope you like the Vattayappam preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.